Hello everyone and welcome to another Xads tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to install the Xpixel with Google Tag Manager. Before we go straight to the point, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. Job number one, you are going to access your Xads account. Keep in mind now that if you never run a campaign, the system will ask you to create a campaign to be able to access tools and eventually go into Events Manager. So if you're completely new on Twitter ads, X ads, you will probably need to go through the creation of a campaign first before you are able to go to tools and select Events Manager. So that's completely normal. Let's say you are not new or you have a campaign already, you're going to go to tools, you're going to go to Events Manager, and once you come here, what you're going to do is on the top right hand side, you're going to say add event source. You are going to agree to the terms and conditions. And now there are a couple of different options to play. Option number one, you are going to copy the tracking code that you see here. Once you copy the tracking code, you are going to go to Google Tag Manager. You are going to create a new tag. You are going to call it Xpixel or whatever you like. You are going to click Tag Configuration. You are going to say Custom HTML. You are going to paste the tracking code here. You are going to go to Triggering, select all pages, save, and don't forget to submit and publish your container to send the changes live. This is the easiest way to install the Xpixel in your website. Option number two, here you can go install with Tag Manager, or even on this page you can copy the Pixel ID. And once you copy your Pixel ID, you are going to go to your Tag Manager. You are going to say new tag. You are going to give it a name again. So let's say Xads version 2. You are going to select tag configuration. And keep in mind here that you should not use, if you come here and you look, for example, for Twitter or X, you're going to find this option. Don't use this option because Twitter is going to deprecate this, so it says legacy. What you need to do is to go to the community template gallery, and here you need to search for the Twitter base pixel. So you are going to click here and select the Twitter base pixel. You are going to add this to your workspace. And now that we are going to add it in your workspace, we're going to paste here the Pixel ID. Same drill, we're going to say triggering, all pages, we're going to add, and that's it. We save, we submit, and we publish our container. So let's take a step back. Two options. Easiest option in my opinion, you copy the code, you go to Tag Manager, you say custom HTML, you paste it, all pages, save and submit. Option number two, you create a new tag. Under tag configuration, click here on community template gallery, find the Twitter base pixel. So find here the Twitter base pixel, select this one, choose this template, paste the Pixel ID here. Again, triggering is going to be all pages. Save, submit everything, and you are good to go. So that's it. That's how easy it is to install the Xpixel with Google Tag Manager. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone.